making a difference. A suburban family offered their neighbors help during January's deep freeze. NBC5's Natalie Martinez was at Morton Grove's Village Board meeting tonight, where the family was honored for their acts of kindness.
If ever there were a good story to warm you up on a cold, wintry night.
We're all humans at the end of the day.
Sabeel, Ahmed, and his family are living it.
Stories and lessons are nothing if you don't practice them.
On the eve of the polar vortex, they went door to door in their Morton Grove neighborhood.
The very first thought came to my mind, let's protect my family, and immediately, what about the neighbors?
They wrote a letter that said,
"We are your Muslim neighbors. The temperature would be cold. We are here to help you if you need to pick up groceries or medicine or shoveling of the snow."
They emailed those they couldn't reach on foot.
I was really pleasantly surprised to see what was going on in my community.
In fact, Susan Engel lives in nearby Park Ridge. She's elderly and disabled and asked for that assistance.
They came and they helped me and they brought some groceries. They're like saints. They're like angels. I have not met people like this in my life.
Tonight, the village awarded the family who wants to shake misconceptions about Muslims.
We can't thank you enough, and thank you for showing what Morton Grove really is about.
Their message is about multiplying goodness.
More people should do something like this, so we can have a ripple effect.
Sabeel says if anything comes of this, he hopes that it's inspiration for others. In Morton Grove, Natalie Martinez, NBC5 News.